Hi, I'm Vance, and welcome to Repair and Replace. The cooktop indicator light turns on anytime there is power to a heating element. If you've tried turning on every element and the light still doesn't work, then the bulb is likely burnt out. Now, if the light stays on even when all the burners are off, then it's a problem with one of the heat switches. You can see how to troubleshoot this in the video linked below. In this episode, I'll show you how to install a new indicator light. Let's get started. For this repair, you'll need a screwdriver or nut driver and gloves. If you need a new indicator light, then you can enter your model number on the AMRE Supply website. From there, you'll see a parts breakdown with the exact replacement parts listed for your model. Always be safe and disconnect the power at the breaker. Since there might be some sharp edges, it's best to wear cut-resistant gloves. Gently pull the range slightly away from the wall. As soon as there's enough room, go in behind and unplug it from the receptacle. Make sure that there isn't too much tension on the cord. Now, slide the range all the way out so you have plenty of room to work. On the back of the oven is a cover panel. Some models have a small panel near the top and a larger panel near the bottom. Now remove the screws. The panel will likely be sitting on several hooks. Simply lift up to remove the panel. First, locate the indicator light. Push the light sideways to slide it off the lens. Now disconnect the wires. Take the new light and connect the wires. Now align the light next to the lens and slide it into place. Align the back panel and replace the screws. Now plug in the cord and push the range back into place. Next, reconnect the power. Now you can test your stove. For more troubleshooting videos on water heaters, furnaces, and appliances, then subscribe to our channel. And if you need help, you can call or visit our AMRE location to talk with our knowledgeable staff. Thanks for watching.